I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today's new topic HS Geography Important Questions. ठीक है, मैंने आप लोग का सारा MCQ पहले ही अपलोड कर दिया है, आप वहाँ से जाके कर सकते हैं. इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ है, ठीक है. और आज 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आएगा आपका 14, ठीक है. 1 मार्क्स करके 14 क्वेश्चन आता है ज्योग्राफी में. ये आपका आएगा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. वही मैं कराऊंगा आपको शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए आए तो प्लीज लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, ठीक है. स्टार्ट करते हैं चैनल. व्हाट इज कोरल रीफ? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. ओके, ये सारा व्हाट इज कोरल रीफ. तो आप लिखोगे, इसका आंसर है कोरल रीफ इज द vault like structure. Coral reef is the vault like structure that which is formed by the accumulation of coral polyps. This is a बहुत important question है. ओके, polyps. ओके, आप ये पोस्ट करके कॉपी कर लो वीडियो को. What is elevation? What is elevation? Okay, the process by which soil constituents constituents are transported in solution from upper to lower layer is called elevation. Okay, अब next question number 3. Which type of soil is formed in temperate grassland? Which soil is formed in temperate grassland? ओके, ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये भी क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. Carnosian soil, स्पेलिंग में कर देता हूँ, CHERNOZEAN. ओके, Carnosian soil. आप पॉज करके कॉपी कर लो वीडियो को. नंबर 4. What do you mean by market gardening? Answer: market gardening is the practice of growing flowers, fruits, vegetables, etc. in a small farm and to be sold in the market. This is called important questions for your HS. Market gardening. Okay, important questions. आप कॉपी कर लो. What is crop rotation? What is What is crop rotation? What is crop rotation? Uh, crop rotation. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different crops one after another on the same plot of land, on the same plot of land to preserve soil fertility. Soil fertility. Okay, this is the answer. Pause the video and copy it. What is golden quadrilateral? Okay, golden quadrilateral. Important questions. Golden quadrilateral is the सुपरनेशनल हाईवे. ये क्वेश्चन आपको एमसीक्यू में भी पूछा गया था, मैंने आपको अपलोड किया था, आप देख सकते हैं. सुपरनेशनल हाईवे which connects four metro cities, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, copy the question. Which type of rock formation? Which type of rock formation is suitable for artesian belt? Okay, answer will be permeable rock. Permeable rock. Okay, number 8 question. Name the major important foliar H's. Name the major soybean producing state of India. Okay, answer will be Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Okay, copy the questions. What is central business district of town और CBD? कभी कभी आपको फुल फॉर्म भी पूछ लेता है. What do you mean? What is the full form of CBD? Then you have to write Central Business District of Town. ठीक है, कभी कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछता है सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ टाउन का मतलब क्या? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ टाउन? देन यू हैव टू राइट CBD. I am not writing full form, I am just writing in small form. Okay, CBD. आप मैं लिख रहा हूँ CBD, but you have to write Central Business District of Town. Okay, is the central part of a town. Is the central part of a town. Is a central part of a town where the headquarter. Okay. where the headquarters of administrative building, bank offices are located. This is your answer. Okay, you just copy it. Then the questions will be distinguish between foreshore and backshore. Foreshore and backshore. Okay. Then you have to write foreshore. Foreshore is a part of shore. Foreshore is a part of shore where the upper limit of wave runoff reaches. Part of shore up to which the upper limit of wave runoff reaches. Okay, whereas backshore is a part of beach. Okay, backshore is a part of beach lying between foreshore and coastline. Lying between foreshore and coastline. Okay, this is your answer. Copy it. What is regolith? What is regolith? Answer will be regolith is the first product of weathering. It is the first formed soil. Okay. Number 12. Which wind is responsible for dry summer in Mediterranean region? In Mediterranean region, here is the answer. Trade wind. Okay, note down. Okay, what is the significance of OPEC? Okay, OPEC means Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Okay, which controls oil prices? This is your answer. Copy it. From which region Bhilai steel plant gets iron ore is produced. Okay, then answer will be Ghali Rajhara iron mine. Rajhara iron mines. Okay, I am just writing a short answer. You have to write from which region Bhilai steel plants get iron ore is produced. Na? The iron ore is produced from Ghali Rajhara iron mines. Okay, this is the answer. Now only 2 or 3 questions are left. For which type of industry? For which type of industry Bengaluru is famous? Bengaluru is famous. You have to write electronic industry. Electronic. I am writing just only a short answer. Okay. You have to write Bengaluru is famous for electronic industry. Okay. Number 16. At which stage of demographic transition model zero population growth is achieved? Zero population growth is achieved. Okay, achieved. Answer will be at 4th stage. I am only writing a short answer. You have to write at 4th stage of demographic transition model, zero population growth is achieved. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Define mainland ratio. Define mainland ratio. Very important question. Mainland ratio is defined as it is the ratio between total number of persons, and carrying capacity of land. Okay. Last question. What is ancillary group of industry? Okay. Answer. Ancillary group of industry ना स्पेस तो बचा ही नहीं. मैं यहाँ रफ करके लिख रहा हूँ. हाँ, यहाँ इसको रफ कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है, यहाँ पर लिख लेता हूँ. Ancillary group of industry is a small scale industry, which that supply parts and components to be used by other larger industries. Okay then, ये रहा आज तक का क्वेश्चंस. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये यही है आपका. आप अच्छे से याद कर लेना. ओके, कल मिलते हैं नए क्लास में नया क्वेश्चन के साथ. ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.